What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back with another video, and today we got an unboxing straight from the Goat app. And this is a shoe I really regret selling a couple months back. I should have kept it when I did, because now we have a 2.0 version of this sneaker that we are unboxing today. And I was like, bro, I gotta have the originals before I go and get the second ones that will be coming out in a couple of days, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now for your boy, ring notification bell so you never miss another video, live stream, live cop, shock drop video, anything that we do, man, you will get notified if you hit that notification bell. Like the video right now. To go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know the goal. And please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing straight from the Goat app, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, like I said, we have an unboxing from the Goat app, right? And I need to do a video where we talking about the releases coming out this upcoming June, man. It's a lot of shoes coming out. It's a lot of heat. There's a lot of shoes that I'm really interested in going to get, man. There might be a couple that I'm doubling up on, just to give you guys a couple of hints of what we getting. One is the Air Jordan 1 Mocha, and we get a pair of red and black 14s that I know a lot of people are eyeing, a lot of people want to go and get, man. But today, like I said, this shoe released last year. I think it was in September or October, I forget. And now it's getting another version of this sneaker. And I think I'm digging the second version a little more. But you cannot go wrong with getting the originals first. So I went ahead and got these things from the Goat app because I regret selling these things. So as you can see, man, you got the brown tissue paper up top. You guys know how Goat comes. And then check out the box, check out the box. You know, this box came with a lot of shoes like the Mnml.la ones, I believe. You got a couple other pair of shoes that came in this exact box. You got a whole bunch of designs, a whole bunch of, you know, Jordan sneakers on the top. You got some wing twos over here, check it out. You got a whole bunch of different drawings of sneakers, a lot of sketches and stuff like that. And on this side, you get another pair of Air Jordan 2s as well, a mock-up of the Air Jordan 11s. Just a crazy box. I love when Jordan Brand does new things. And you got the little hole right here to, you know, pull your box open. But as you can see, we have a pair of Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. These retail for $225. I'm giving you guys little hints before we get into the box, man. If you guys ain't skipping the video, you guys like the anticipation that builds up to get into the shoe. The fish colorway is black, multicolor, and dark mocha, man. Check it out, check it out. So if you guys do not know what they are up until this point, we are about to open these things up and see what they are. So let's get into it real quick. And drum roll please, Vintage Gang. Let's get into it. And oh, the Goat cards fell out. As you guys know, we get a Goat card with every sneaker we buy from Goat, and it goes through a strenuous and very strict authentication process right here. As you can see, you got authentication, you go through quality control. I really love how they do their authentication process. A lot of different steps they go through, and it's hard to, you know, slip by some of those worn sneakers that you buy DS and fake sneakers as well, man. So let's throw that out the way. And you do get a Goat sticker in here as well. Let's pull that out. Blam blam, check it out. I have so many of these Goat stickers, so many of these StockX stickers and stuff like that I really don't need no more. So let's go ahead and peel these things open. Like I said, drum roll please, Vintage Gang. And damn, man, there we have it, the Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 1.0s, man. Super clean. Like I said, I regret selling this one. And this is a shoe that I did the review on Feet On, and a lot of people was hating on this sneaker. I don't know why. I think they're very dope. Some people said, what are you gonna wear it with? As you guys do know, like I do this. Like I like wearing different stuff. I like standing apart from everybody else. And if y'all don't cop these, hey, it is what it is. But I think these are a very fire sneaker. Check them out, check them out. The Air Jordan 3 Animal Instincts. And like I said, we have another pair, the 2.0s that will be released in June the 6th, I believe. And I think I'm digging the 2.0s a little better. You don't get a lot of this fur and stuff like that. You get more, I think, like more reptiles or something like that on the Animal Instincts. I'm not too sure what type of materials on it, but I do know that I like the 2.0s a lot better, man. Check out the back right here. Got your Jordan Air on the back. And then on the side, of course, you got your fur on the upper. And one thing I did notice about this shoe is it really bled onto the paper. I unboxed, I checked it out already just now. The color on the toe box is rubbing onto the paper, man. So if I was you, I would definitely take the shoes out of the box, throw it in a drop front container, or just set it somewhere to where it's not bleeding onto the paper. Try to preserve the shoe as much as you can. I would definitely get a lot of wears out of it now, because as you guys do know, when you get those furs, you get those different colors and stuff like that, the color really bleeds. Prime example, the Ferrari 14s. That shoe I had in the box way too long, and I started to see a lot of that red dye bleed onto the paper, man. So you're gonna see the same thing with this one as well. So take them out, get some wears out of it, and wear your sneakers, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to preserve it. Don't try to keep your shoes DS for a long period of time, because that's not what these shoes are for. Your shoes are made to be worn, man. So take them out the box, wear them so you can enjoy them while you can. But check out the tongue. You have your satin material right here with your red Jumpman up there. And on the back of the tongue, you guys see the instinct down there. You guys know this is an animal instinct. And on the inside, you can see you got that red insole with that white Jumpman down there. Regular cardboard shoe tree on the inside. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. But I'm just loving the quality of this shoe, you know what I'm saying? Despite the little bleeding that the shoe does onto your paper, but I gave you guys a solution, take out the box. These things are A-okay, man. I'm really digging them. Like I said, the 2.0s, I'm gonna throw a picture up right here. They are very fire. Like, that's a shoe I'm really anticipated for this upcoming June. But you guys know I love ones. We're getting the Mocha ones finally in June. They pushed the release date back. That's another show I'm gonna go and get. But these Animal Instinct 2.0s are clean, bro. I'm telling you. I want you guys to let me know right now in the comment section below if you have these in your collection, the original Animal Instincts, or if you are going to be going after the Animal Instinct 2.0s. I'm very interested in knowing how the Vintage gang is feeling these two colorways in the Animal Instinct pack. Like, Jordan Brand just did they thing with this shoe, man. You got so many different animal furs on the shoe. It's probably like one dominant fur, and of course they just, you know what I'm saying, colored it in to be, you know what I'm saying, the cheetah, the leopard, the zebra, whatever you do get on the shoe. Just very clean. Like, this back tab is like kind of translucent. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It's not like your regular, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 3 back tab. Checking out the outsole right here, as you can see, you got the Jordan down here. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. But yeah, man, just an overall dope shoe. I'm super happy to have these back in the collection. I regret selling these things when I did. I should have never had done it. But like I said, now we have them in the collection. And now your boy is satisfied and I'm ready to cop the Animal Instinct 2.0s. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for pulling up to the video. Let me know down below if you'll be going after the Animal Instinct 2.0s. And let me know if you have the original Animal Instincts that dropped last year in the collection. I'm very interested in knowing. And if this video is changing your mind, changing your opinion over the Animal Instinct pack, let me know down below as well, man. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Join the Vintage gang. Ring notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Smash the like button. The goal for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know how we do it on the channel. And please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. You guys already know. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.